talk about two-step equations. When you solve two-step equations, you need to move the constant away from the side with the variable first. Let's look at the following examples. Here's the variable on the left side. So you want to move -9, which is the constant. In problem 2, the variable's on the left side, so the constant is a +4. Number 3, the variable's on the right side with a constant of a +15. Please remember to include the sign that's in front of the constant. Let's practice. Draw your line, find your variable, move the constant on the same side as the variable. For example, +5 is my constant. The inverse of +5 is -5. So you want to subtract 5 on each side of the equal sign. Bring down your remainder, which is a -2n, equals -1 minus 5, which is -6. -2 times n, the inverse operation is division, so you're going to divide each side by -2. Your remainder is n equals -6 divided by -2, which is a +3. Circle your answer. In your check column, write down the side, the original equation, with the side with the variable. Afterwards, substitute what you got as an answer into the variable. So 5 minus 2 times 3. Order of operations states that we do multiplication first. 2 times 3 is 6. 5 minus 6 is -1. I should get the same answer that's on the other side of the equal sign. So -1 equals -1, so I know I did my work right. Problem 2, find your variable. It's on the left side. So you want to move your constant, which is a +1. You want to subtract. Remember, what you do on one side, you must do on the other. Bring down what you have left, which is 3x equals 6. You have 3 times x. The inverse is division. So you get x equals 2. Again, always check your answer by writing the original problem in this column. Then substitute what you got as x into x. Order of operations state I multiply first. I got 7, which is the same as the other side of my equal sign. Pause the video, try 3 and 4. Remember that minus a negative is plus a positive. Check your answers. If you have any questions, go ask your teacher. Move on and try pause the video and try problems 5 and 6. Check your answers with the following problems. Remember, in number 6, if you're multiplying by a fraction, you always want to multiply each side by the reciprocal. If you have any questions, ask your teacher.